Begin Chapter 6, Section 3. After you have read the objectives, you can go ahead and do the examples. Let's look at example number 1. Natalie and Maria go shopping for blouses and capris. Natalie has just received her paycheck and plans to buy both a blouse and a pair of capris. Maria has to make her car payment out of her paycheck and can only afford to buy a blouse or capri. The store they like to shop in has 6 styles of blouses and 8 styles of capris. How many choices does Natalie have, and how many choices does Maria have? So here we have Natalie wants to buy both the blouses and the capris. So here you have 6 styles of blouses times 8 styles of capri. So because she wants both, you are going to use the multiplication principle. So 8 times 6 is 48 choices that Natalie has. Maria, on the other hand, only can buy one or the other. Again, keyword is or. So blouses or capris, so she has 6 blouses plus 8 capris. So 6 plus 8 is 14 choices. And you are using the addition principle here because you have one or the other. Let's move on to number 2. A survey was done on a college campus to determine how many students owned a cell phone. Of the 140 students surveyed, 95 owned a cell phone, 65 owned a landline, and 25 owned both, a cell phone and a landline. How many students surveyed had neither a cell phone nor a landline? And how many students had a cell phone but not a landline? So to draw your Venn diagram, you start with the middle, which is the intersection. It's 25. So you start with 25 and then you work out. 65 owned a landline, so you have 65 minus 25 is 40, and 95 owned a cell phone, so you have 95 minus 25 is 70, and 5 owned neither cell phone nor landline. So the question is, how many students surveyed had neither a cell phone nor a landline? In here you have 5. Again, why is it 5? Because you have 140 minus 70 minus 25 and minus 40, which is 5. And how many students had a cell phone but not a landline? In here you have 70 that owned a cell phone but not a landline. So 70 people owned a cell phone but not a landline. And here we complete section 3 of chapter 6.